Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jackie Plays, and I am here to give you a brand new video from me and me. And I'm really, dude, like, get your own car, you hippie. Alright, well, so yeah, I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into some races. Let's do this. Woo! Banana. Let's see if it's easy cars or just hard cars. Alright, that's easy, so I'm gonna bring out my Lamborghini. No, my Ferrari. Because the Dodge Charger doesn't even work anymore, so if it does work, then... Are you serious? No way. 5.5? I'm never gonna beat that. What the heck? No way. Are you serious? I thought the Dodge Charger doesn't work anymore. Oh my god. How? Stop pushing me. How do you get 5.5? That was crazy. I don't want to race it because we'll probably win. Oh my god. He doesn't stand the young, probably. What the heck? Bro, guys, I'm gonna join a different server. Alright, so yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, everyone, I am back in another server. See, my friend AH is not here. How do you say his name? But he is definitely a little hacker because Dodge Charger does not work anymore. I'm not gonna buy it, but I tried it. It doesn't work at all. It literally goes and starts to smoke. It starts to smoke, and then it reaches like 200 in like 9 seconds. So it's not that good. So yeah. So I'll be making another video today. So yeah, check out my other channel called More Jacko. We lost 2 subscribers. I know you guys want attention, and I know you do. So I will start making more videos. I'm really sorry, and that because I don't really know what to do. I don't be able to some other videos. I tried to do an Island Royale video, but it was so laggy. Trust me, I'm really good at Island Royale. Like I can get like 10 kills a game around there. But when it's laggy, you can't. As I was in that video, I was so embarrassed because I couldn't even kill the guy that was level 1, and I was level 6. Like, that's like not even acceptable for me. So, alright, let me get my Gara and let me just get some money. Let me farm, get some money. This thing gives me the most money out of my entire cars. So yeah, let's go for a drive. And this thing is super fast. This thing would win in a highway race, not against the Tesla though. No, the rocket, like, what is it called? The Egoista? It would be so close against that car. Look, it reaches almost 360. This is now wide space. Watch now. Look at this. Look how fast it accelerates. Look, 360. Like, that's really fast. Well, it wouldn't really happen in real life, but it would be like the world's fastest like Cohen's egg is it comes second, but it actually is about the same speed as the Chiron, Bugatti Chiron. It's about the same speed, and it accelerates faster because when the spoiler comes up, that means it's in racing mode. So like if my spoiler came up, that means it's getting into lots of speed. That's what it like almost means. Well, not almost means, but that's what like it means. I don't really know, but like when it comes up, it means like yeah, what I said. It means like it's coming into racing mode, and it wants to be fast. It's like angry, it wants to win. Bugatti Chiron would be slower because it goes up. The speed is faster, a little faster, like 5 miles. He said, but yeah, the Koenigsegg 1 would probably smoke the Chiron in a race. So yeah, let's get now talking to a different car, the Lamborghini Huracan. It's one of the fastest Lamborghinis. It's I think it's the second fastest Lamborghini because it accelerates it accelerates fast. I was going to say not too fast, but look at this. But in this game, it accelerates super fast. Watch, ready? It accelerates fast. We reach like 290 in this game. In real life, we reach 201 miles per hour, or 217. That's the limit for the Lamborghini Huracan and the Lamborghini Life. So yeah, that was the Lamborghini for you. And yeah, let's get on to racing. Let's do this. Alright, that was enough chit-chatting about cars. Get down to racing. Ooh, I'm so scared. Alright, I'm probably gonna lose because this is my first race. This car has to get warmed up. Like, it's like a warmed up car, so let me get doing this. Trust me, I'll win if I do this. It's like a little glitch. I'll float in the air. Oh, it doesn't work. Bro, it doesn't work on the Bugatti. Are you okay? It works on the Ferrari, though. It only works on this car and the Ferrari. Ferrari LaFerrari, not the Ferrari F40. Ah, it doesn't work. It works, though. It's 6.5. Is this Pagani okay? Alright, it doesn't work. Let's just do it. Oh, yes, I have more time. Come on! Let's do this! Alright guys, hope you're back when I get to, like, the car comes up, because that makes that car faster, and it's a glitch. So I can wreck people. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and I tried to do the glitch, but it did not work. I don't know why, it always works when I do it. For some reason, you just have to you have to have this car, and you usually have to get out and keep getting in your car, and then you have to wait, then once it floats, it goes in the air, then makes your car faster. It's not working, but my car's already fast. It works on the Ferrari, too. Let's try it on the Ferrari. Whoa. Alright, see, it floated, it went in the air just a little bit. I don't think you see, but it went in the air a little bit. Alright, let's go race. Oh, and I changed my car color to blue. Neon blue. It looks sick. I didn't like the red because it looks like it was about to kill someone, and I don't like that. I'm just joking. I like red, but I like blue better. I like blue a little better. I'll race you. As I'm drinking a bottle of Fanta. Yum. That was the most horrible time I ever got in my life. It's either I'm lagging or this car is just getting ready to destroy itself. Bro, Subaru, really? That car sucks. Right, Nissan, really? That's not even... That's stupid. Really? I was supposed to race him. Forget it, noob. I'll just leave. How you got wrecked? You wrecked. Alright, go around and get some money. Alright, here we go. Let's get to 600. Let's get to 615,000. You see the money right there. I keep missing my crate. I keep seeing it, and I keep going past it. God, why do people keep friending me? Why am I so popular? Oh my god, I'm not even that popular. Like, I get more than 10 friend requests a day. Like, I don't want to do that. Alright, let's get this. Because I keep going past it. There we go. Alright. Let's get the, Ferrari LaFerrari out. Let's hit the road. Let's wait until it stops raining so I don't lag. See, I'm lagging because of the rain. It's still raining. Let's just do it. We're through 615,000. Oh my god, of course I get stuck. Let's do this. This car gives me the second most money. Second. Oh my god. Really? Bro. You stupid? Oh my god. Get over your car. Alright. This car gives me the second most money. Like, it's the second fastest and it was not the second. It gives me the second most money. Like, it gives me the most money, and it's in second place of the money makes. I don't really know, but it makes the second. I think you guys know what I mean, but I don't really know how to point it out. Boom. Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give me, let's get 10 likes on this video. Then we'll do part 8. So yeah, part 8 will be highway races. Like, all races. I'll do with my sibling or brother. Maybe, yeah. So, yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button. 10 likes, remember that. And I'll do races with my brother. I don't know. I'll ask him. If he doesn't, then I'll do it with my friend. But yeah, peace out, guys. You guys enjoy, and subscribe.